Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making a yogurt bread. Stay tuned while we do this together. We are going to be making use of flour, yeast, butter, sugar, salt and plain yogurt. We are also going to be making use of water to do this process. We are going to be making use of 300 grams of water and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Properly mix the yeast in order for it to dissolve in the water. This process may likely take a little bit of your time, but you are going to notice that the yeast has dissolved. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. After the sugar must have dissolved, I'm going to be adding yogurt at this stage. I'm making use of a plain yogurt, which means that this yogurt does not contain sugar. We are making use of 150 grams of yogurt. Immediately you dissolved the yogurt, kindly add salt. After we must have also turned properly, we are going to be adding flour. I'm making use of 500 grams of flour. At this stage, you are expected to increase the speed in which you are mixing it and also mix properly. It may likely have a little bit wet consistency, but that does not really matter because you are making a yogurt bread. Mixing with your hands come in here in order for you to mix it properly. Yet, after we must have lightly mixed, we are going to be covering it with a plastic wrap and leave it for 15 minutes. Yes, it is 15 minutes. We are going to be kneading with our hands. Take a 5 minutes of your time and knead properly. After this process is over, we are going to be putting it back to the bowl and cover it for 1 hour. At this stage, we are going to be kneading again. This may take a little bit longer, maybe 7 to 10 minutes, depending on how fast you knead or how well you do that. You will also notice that the consistency has changed. The dough is now ready to be divided. You are expected to divide it into an equal smaller size and then smoothing it with your hands. Yes, it is ready to be covered. We are going to be covering it for 15 minutes with a plastic wrap for it to rise. It is now 15 minutes, and as you can notice, it is bigger than how it was. We are finally going to shape it into tight rounds and add it to the oven tray. This is another stage of covering it with a plastic wrap, but we are going to be leaving it in a warm place in order for it to double the size. This process takes another 1 hour. After about an hour, we are going to be brushing it with oil. You can either brush with oil or eggs. It's now ready to be baked at 170 Celsius. It takes about 10 to 12 minutes for this bread to be ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.